Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing great. In today's video, one of my friend's sister Arumuga Gomathi is going to explain on S3 Select. Many of you know S3 is the first service provided by AWS on storage. We'll be using S3 for storage, archiving, and for hosting application or deploying the application. In today's demo, she is going to explain on S3 how to query the data from the S3 Select without using any database or server. Also, she will be explaining how to deploy the S3 Select in the CloudFormation stack as well as in the S3 CDK as well. With that, she will be getting that endpoint and she will be querying that endpoint using Postman tool. Okay. Over to you, Gomadi. You can show the demo how it works.
Hi all, let's explore Amazon S3 Select to query the data without using databases or servers. To deploy the sample application using AWS CloudFormation template. First, let's create S3 bucket. Now the bucket is created. Now uploading the Lambda code and CSV file into the bucket. Now the files are uploaded into the bucket. Now let's upload the template into the CloudFormation. First, we shall create a stack. Now, let's upload the template file. Specifying the stack name, bucket name, acknowledging, and check the status if the stack is created or not, and copy the endpoint from the Outputs tab. To query the data, open Postman. To make an API request, choose Post and paste the endpoint, and in the header section for key value, choose content type and application JSON. For body, raw JSON, and specifying name Kira. Now sending the request. The response is here within seconds. To deploy the application using AWS CDK and the Lambda function written from Python, let's first create an IAM user. Here, I have already created an IAM user, CDK admin. We need to create an IAM user with administrator access. Now, in the command prompt, let's configure the AWS credentials using AWS configure. Providing the access key IDs and secret key. installing the CDK packages. Navigating into the folder which has the necessary files and installing the dependencies. Now to deploy the templates, CDK, bootstrap. This will take few minutes. CDK, deploy, text, language, Python. Let's run this. Yes. View the changes. Now the deployment is successful. Let's copy the endpoint. Using Postman to query the data. To make the API request, choose post, pasting the endpoint, and this content type, application JSON, and raw. Name Akira, sending the request. Now using curl, here is the list of data from the file. To query a specific data, curl and -d. Name Akira, it shows internal server error. Let's look into the documentation. The Windows command prompt doesn't support single quotes. So the problem is the curl statement uses single quotes to specify the JSON data. To fix this problem, we can save the JSON in a separate file, and I have approached the postman query method. This method can also be adopted. That's it. Thank you all.